Welcome back to 7-Minute Options on Monday, July 19th. Just a couple of small tweaks. Looking at Astra here, of course, we got assigned the 100 shares from last week. Astra continues to have its own little meltdown here. We're looking at 10 straight days of declines. A little bit surprising, especially considering the SPAC just hit the market around $10 a share, and now it's less than that at 9.30. If you look at the IV is very rich there. Still trading for well over 100% IV in the next 30 days. So let's do that. Taking a quick look at the history of the Astra position, we collected $93 in premium. Of course, we got assigned after that at $12.50. And so that's why if we look at the actual graph, there's the dashed line is the 100 shares at $12.50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a covered call, pick up about $60 worth of credit there. And if I do that, let's say if the stock comes back, to $12.50, that's perfectly fine. I bought it for $12.50. I can get rid of it at $12.50. I can pick up another $60 of credit on top of the 93 I already collected. Another thing I could do here on top of that, so I'm doing that for sure. And then the other thing I'm considering is selling a 7.5 put, picking up another 100 shares for $7.50 if it continues its meltdown. If not, I'm going to collect $100 from both these. Only giving up $300 of buying power, picking up 3 theta, absolutely fantastic. So why don't I do that? That's about $100. Let's see if that gets filled. And we'll come back to that in a minute. The other thing is IWM. So there's a lot of rich premium in there. 36 of IV rank, 36%, which is pretty good. So right now, IWM has had a bit of a meltdown again. So it's down. So these two lines are the existing iron condor that we have in IWM. And it's again flirting with this short put here, or the short put spread rather. So right now, let's see if we can sell another iron condor against it. I'm going to try to go 60 days out, and I'm going to try to go, I saw this set up recently in one of the back tests that we did here is, or rather, we didn't do it. I saw the back test on another website. This one, I saw it on Option Alpha. That's, of course, Kirk Duplessis, and what they suggested doing was going to 30 delta short, 20 delta long, 60 days out. So let's try 30 delta long, 20 delta short. Yeah, so $327 of credit is what I receive. $473 of buying power is what I give up. And it's a little bit asymmetric. As you can see, the wings are a little bit wider on the put side than the call side, and that's fine. So picking that one up, let's see if that gets filled. And right now IV is spiking, so that's why I'm pretty happy with getting that 300. And the exit strategy there is going to be, I took some notes here, let me just check. So according to the back test, the exit was, yeah, 50% profit target, and exiting anywhere under 10 days to go. So yeah, just focus on the 50% for now. And let's go back to Astra. I might have to lower that now. Let's go down to 102, see if that gets filled there. And looking at IWM, we might need to drop that. Let's go to 325. Okay, we'll keep that there for a few minutes. Let's look at some of the other positions we have. Yeah, so Palantir got those two expired out of the money. That's fine. I could open a covered strangle against it, just like I'm trying to do with Astra, but I got Palantir earnings coming up here on August 10th, so I'm not sure that, well, I mean, what could I do? Let's see, 57% IV in the next 18 days, so just under 3 weeks. So right now Palantir is at $21. I could do something similar, right? If I look at, yeah, there's 1,000 people in this one, 4-cent wide market there. If I look at there, I could pick up $73 between now and 18 days from now. Yeah, I think the challenge I have here is because it's a $21 stock, very volatile right now, that would use up $900 of buying power, so I'm not sure I want to do that. And I have my 100 shares. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till earnings, after earnings, and then I'm put up a covered strangle back on after earnings. So no plans to do anything with that in the short term. Let's see. Nothing else is expiring. Oh yeah, my VIX hedge. All right, I gotta remember to buy that tomorrow. So I usually go out there and buy the 20 delta just to keep that one on there in case SPY does pull back. SPY looking interesting today. Usually, like over the past 6 months, every month or so, you can see there's a bit of a pullback, and that's the pullback today. SPY has had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight days of declines. I guess the next question is, later on this week, is it going to start pulling back like it has done for last 3, 4 times it has done it, or has something fundamentally changed in the market? Who knows? We'll find out. Nothing else. I usually don't manage these until I get to the 25 to 29 day, 25 to 30 day range. So sometime this week, I can start looking at managing some of these positions. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, that's it. Thanks. Bye.